Hello. So, just did a bunch of different maintenance on this machine. I vacuumed out the grinder area. I've also finally, after like 4.5 years, replaced the gasket in the portafilter. So, yeah, that last gasket didn't look too good. And but I also had cleaned the screen for, that the espresso comes out of, right? The back of it was very, very dirty. And so I cleaned all that up. I cleaned inside the spout area. Everything's like perfect, like nice and shiny, brand new gasket and everything. So it'll be interesting to see how it performs on the first pull. And I have been warming up the portafilter too, so we'll go ahead and get the machine started back up. Gonna make a simple latte today, nothing too special. I'm not gonna use the cup you're looking at right now. I'm gonna use this cup. So it may not be warmed up like this one was, but it's fine. I'll take my chances using this, Why is there stuff on it? It's like a little piece of fabric on it. I'll use this milk pitcher. I have issues pouring with this, but I think I figured it out. So we'll use this this milk pitcher. Gonna measure out 18 grams. I know I said I would do like single baskets and stuff, but I was not having a good time with it. I feel like it's one of those things that maybe a better machine would handle it better. But I think that's one of the limitations of this machine. It's very difficult to get 17 on here, to get a good shot with the single basket. That was not all the way ground. Oh, it's still on single. That's why. All right. Yeah, I had left it on single, so that's why I was cutting the grind short. Put a little bit more in this thing. I feel like maybe I'm not pouring enough milk in there. It's a weird milk pitcher, but if you can get it right, you get like very good latte art, and it's like not as much effort too. Feels like a really good tamp and everything. Let's see what we get. Okay, I was about to stop the shot, but it is coming out. Looks really good, actually. Maybe I can get a single digit coarser. I didn't tamp hard at all either, so that looks really good, actually. All right, get the steam on started up. Yeah, so I just set it coarser by one number. And I should also mention I reset the internal grinder back to its stock number 5 setting. I realized if you get that chirping like that, to just like move the wand closer to the edge, and I'll start introducing air a little bit more smooth. I hope what I just said made any sense at all. But basically I'm moving it over to the edge so it's like introducing air more consistently. Now I'll go back to the middle, and now I'll go ahead and dip it because I think we got a good layer of foam there. That espresso looks amazing. Alright, it's warm enough. Go ahead and clean the wine off real quick. And purge. See, it's weird pouring with this cup. I think I almost got it right. You know what? Because why not? Let's top it all off. All right, I don't know why my camera stopped the video, but it tastes amazing. It tastes incredible. Like this is perfect. So yeah, all I did, I reset the internal setting on the grinder for my machine. I replaced the gasket and I cleaned we'll call it the shower screen. I made sure it was like squeaky clean, and pressure was fine for the grind setting I was using, and the freshness of the beans I was using too. Yeah, everything really just went quite perfectly, except for my latte art. But anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see y'all later.